I had expected a rise across Dow Jones and Nasdaq yesterday, and precisely it bounced back from the support levels which I mentioned on the downside and achieved the targets. I hope you all profited. Now, what is going to be our strategy for the day? Which position we should take? Where to enter? Where to exit? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay updated with the latest analysis. The next video will be up just before the US cash session, so do watch that also. So first we'll look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones. So let's start the day with US 100. See US 100 yesterday, as I told, beyond 11,850 we will see 11,950 levels. It precisely achieved and reversed from there. Now see it is trading with a negative flow. There is a support here at 11,800. I will be watchful if it breaks below 11,800, and then 11,700 is going to provide a very strong support. If it breaks past 11,700, 750, this is going to be the support for the day. If it breaks below this, yes, you can expect it to come back to 11,600, the next support, and then 11,450 levels. A good drop can be expected below those levels. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge crossover. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over and it is looking forward to a sell. This is the first red candle, may follow with a further red candles. RSI looking downwards on the hourly charts, and if you look at the 2-hour chart, this is still in a consolidation zone. It is trying to trade with a upper bias or bullish bias, however as giving higher lows, but this time I will be watchful of 11,800, and if it sustains below 11,800, support at 11,750, 700, 650, 600 is going to be strong. Below 11,600 we can expect 11,500, 450 levels, and then it will complete the journey and erase these gains whatever it has done. So I'll be watchful of 11,800 levels today, sustaining below which you can go short. On the upside, see this is the 4 red candle. Once it breaks past here at 11,860, 11,850, I had given these levels yesterday also. One can go long again, and beyond 11,850, 860, yes, you can expect it to rise more. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic is looking downwards, indicative of little bearishness. MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a sell, hence furthermore bearishness can be expected. RSI looking downwards on the 2-hour charts. If you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, you will observe that it is consolidating here on the higher highs, higher lows is trying to give sustaining below 11,800, and yes, keep a 20 points cushion 11,780. If you find it trading below 11,780, go short for 11,700, 650, 600 levels, and in fact below that, yes, you can expect further more fall for 11,500, 400 levels. Directional movement is bearish, it is trying to converge. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is trading in the bullish zone, trying to converge a little from here. RSI looking downwards on the 3-hour charts. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, you will find that on the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation. Higher highs, higher lows, trading with the support. Be watchful of 11,800, 780 levels. Below that, one can definitely remain short, and one can expect it to come back till towards 11,650 levels before it looks forward to any reversal. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards here, looking forward to a sell entry. MACD is trying to converge. RSI looking downwards, indicative of little bearishness. Coming back to the daily charts, on the daily charts, one thing to observe that it has got the support here at 11,350 levels. See multiple candles getting the support here, and with that as support, see it has seen the highs, retraced lower highs. I'll be watchful if it continues to trade on the downside. Why? Because see these two candles, the bulls are not there in control of the situation. It tried to rise, but the rise was almost you can say of a you can say it was not a rise which was expected, and it has tried to come back again, or bears tried to pull back again on the downside. Now see this is the third green candle, and it is diminishing in body size. Probably now we can expect that only if it breaks past 11,850 levels and sustains above this, you can go long there, and then probably it can achieve the highs at 12,000 levels, which are very strong resistance zone. So again above 11,850 you can expect it to rise for 11,900, 950, 980 and 12,000, these 4 levels. And once it rises beyond 12,000 levels, you can expect further more rise. However, I expect that probably because the previous day the bullishness was not there, probably we can see it either trading in range or consolidating here in between 11,700 to 11,900 levels for the day. And if you look at the directional movement is bearish, stochastic is overbought, MACD is in green, it is divergent bullish, and RSI trading flat. Considering this, if you see it trading beyond 11,850, go long for 11,900, 950, 970, 80 and 12,000. Watch out for these four. Any move beyond 12,000 should be considered as a strong bullish reversal, and then I will target for 12,150, 200 zone. Probably it can try to hit this levels in this week itself. On the contrary, on the downside, because we have seen this, see the pivot is still at 11,600. From 11,600 you can see it has seen the highs at 11,950, almost 350 points. From 11,600, if you consider 350 points, it has to see almost 11,250 sometime in near future. Either it may retrace back again on the downside. If it draws below 11,600, you have to remain short. Probably we may see further more fall. So for the day, go long above 11,850 and go short below 11,800. Rather I will say below 11,780 you can go short. Below 11,780 the target is 11,700, 750, 700, 650, 600. Till 600 it has got very strong support. At every 50 points it has got the support levels till 11,600. Below 11,600 I will expect a huge fall which may bring it till towards 11,500, 450, 350, 250 levels. Remember, it can try to swing a bit, and yes, if it trades above 11,850, my target is 11,910, 11,950 and then 970 to 12,000 levels. If it trades above 12,000, there is going to be furthermore stronger bullish moves. The narrow trading zone for the day is at around 11,700 to 900. You have to be cautious in between these levels. You have to be very, very cautious while taking a trade in between these levels. So take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Now this is on US30 on the early chart. As I shared, 31,200 again provided it a resistance, and the support at 3800 is very, very strong. See, it is trading in an expanding triangle with the support at 3800. I will be watchful of this again. And yes, for the day you can go short here at around 3950 levels or 3900 levels. Below that again you can expect 3800 levels, and then see it is trading in an expanding triangle. We can see further more rise. Also it is formed the resistance at 31,200, 31,250 levels. Be watchful of that. But this is just on the early charts. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge, crossover for a sell. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is crossing over for a sell here. RSI is trading flat with a little bullish bias. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, similarly you can observe that this is the fourth red candle, and after this bullish move it is retraced back nicely. The support at 3900 is going to be strong. Only short entry is below 3900 on the 2-hour charts. And yes, if it trades above 31,000 levels here at 31,050, yesterday also I gave the same levels, 31,050, if it trades above, go long, and then one can expect it to rise till towards 31,200, 31,400, 500 levels also can be seen. Directional movement, it is trying to converge and cross over for a sell. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is trying to converge. It is in bullish zone. RSI looking downwards, indicative of little bearishness. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, it is still consolidating, but you can see this is the expanding triangle in which it is trading. The support here at 3900 is strong, and one can go short at 3950, then target of 3900. 3900 is a very strong support, and then 3800. This is a very strong support for the day. Any breakdown below 3800 will lead to a huge fall, which will bring it till towards 3600, 500 and below levels. At the same time, till the time it trades above 3800, one can expect higher highs, and one can expect 31,300 levels also on the charts today. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is trading flat. MACD is in green, and RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, now look at the 4-hour charts. This is the second red candle, and any breakout here, see, this is the second red candle and a retracement. Any breakout beyond this zone at 31,050 and 31,100, be watchful of this. 31,050, 31,100, these two levels, if it surpasses, we may see it hitting 31,200, 300 levels. In fact, it can rise beyond plus levels also. At the same time, on the downside, support at 3800 is very, very strong. Go short at 3950 for 3900, 3800, two targets. And if it breaks below 3800, we may see a good fall. Directional movement is bearish, trying to cross over. Stochastic is overbought, trying to look downwards. MACD is in green, trading with little divergence. RSI looking downwards, indicative of little bearishness. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, see lower highs almost and higher lows trying to consolidate. This time it is trying to break out. Probably any If you see it trading below 3950, go short, and then 3900 should provide a support, 3800 should provide a support. Below that, one can expect a huge fall which will bring it till towards 3600, 500 levels. In fact, it can drop below. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is overbought and looking downwards. The MACD is in green. The RSI trading flat. Considering this, one can go short above below 3950 and one can go long above 31050 levels. See, the nearest resistances on both sides is at 31100 and 3900. So you have to be cautious in between these 200 points, that is 3900 and 31100. Any move above and below will lead to a good rise for another 100 points. If you see a downward move, you can expect 3800, which is going to provide a very strong support. Below 3800, there is going to be a good fall, which will bring it till towards 3600, 3500 levels, and below levels are also possible. On the upside, if you see it trading above 31100, one can expect first target at 31200, 2200 levels, and then it will rise till towards 31300 next resistance. Beyond that, we may see a good rise till towards 31500 levels. So take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Do trade with a trailing stop loss, do trade with a stop loss, and always keep shifting your stop loss to cost. And do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay updated with the latest analysis. You can be part of my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on next week. You can be part of it and become a proficient and profitable trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram ID and email ID are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.